Few Excel features where we really don't need any formulas. Let's start with our very first example. On the left hand side, I have got my dates, and on the right hand side, I want day number, day name, and month number. I'll click just in front of date, plus or equal to, I'll click on date, and we'll hit enter. Over here, we got our date and not the day number. Now I'll click on day number and we'll drag this down. We'll select the whole column and we'll press Ctrl 1. On the top, we get many options. We have to go in number. In number, we have got various categories. We have to come to the bottom. Over here, we can see custom. I'll click on custom. Type. We can see general over here. I'll delete general. On top, we will be able to see the sample. Currently, we can see day number. Over here, I'll type DD, means D 2 times, and we'll click on OK. And we got our day number as 01, 05, and so on. In case we want to add day, means text day over here, we will have to press Ctrl 1 once again. We'll go to custom, we'll remove general, and we'll insert double quotes day, double quotes close, space. Now I'll type TD. We'll come to the bottom and we'll click on OK. Now we can see day 1, day 5, and so on. Now let's come to day name. Let's connect date over here, plus or equal to. I'll click on date and we'll hit enter. We'll drag this down. We'll select the whole column and we'll press Ctrl 1. We'll go to custom, which is at bottom. We'll remove general and we'll type DDD, means D 3 times, and we'll click on OK. Now we can see day name over here, but the day name is in short. In case you want full name, press Ctrl 1, go to custom, remove general, and put D 4 times, DDDD. Come to the bottom and click on OK. Now we got full name of the day. Now let's come to month number. Let's put our date over here, plus or equal to. I'll click on date and we'll hit enter. In case you want to put dates manually and don't want to connect any cells, it can be done. Let's delete this. 1/1/2026. Enter. We got first date over here. Let's select the whole column. We'll press Ctrl 1. We'll go to custom. We'll remove general from here and we'll insert double quotes month. Double quotes close. Space. We'll put MM, means M 2 times. We'll come to the bottom and we'll click on OK. Now we got month 1 over here. Let's connect this from the date, plus or equal to. I'll click on date and we'll hit enter. Let's drag this down. Now over here we are able to see month number. Let's come ahead. Over here we have got the age and we can see the figures. Just before the figures, I want to add years. We'll select the whole column. In case you want to select the range, it can be done. We'll select the range this time. We'll press Ctrl 1. We'll come to the bottom. We'll remove general from here. We'll insert 0. 0 is for number. Space. Double quotes. Years. Double quotes close. We'll come to the bottom and we'll click on OK. Now we are able to see the text, that is years, just after the figures. Let's come to right hand side. On the left means in column I, we have got the marks and we want to know the candidate is pass or fail in column J. If the marks will be lesser than 35, candidate will be fail, and if the marks will be greater than or equal to 35, candidate will be pass. Over here, we are not going to use any function or formula of if. Let's put all the marks over here. We'll copy this, Ctrl C or Command C, and we'll put over here, Ctrl V or Command V. In case you want to connect the cells, it can be done. We'll delete this, plus or equal to. We'll click on marks and we'll hit enter. We'll drag down my marks. If I change my marks from here, we'll do this 50, enter. My marks also got changed over here. Let's undo this. We'll select my range and we'll press Ctrl 1. We'll go to custom. From here I'll remove general. We'll insert square bracket greater than or equal to 35. What square bracket does over here? It sets the criteria. So my criteria over here is if greater than or equal to 35, square bracket close, candidate will be pass. So I'll put double quotes pass, double quotes close, semicolon. Just remember, over here we have to put semicolon and not comma. So if marks will be greater than or equal to 35, candidate is pass, otherwise candidate is failed. So I'll put double quotes failed, double quotes close. I'll come to the bottom and will click on OK. Just notice, we got pass and fail over here. Let's delete all. Now if I'll put my marks over here manually, 38, enter, candidate is pass, 33, enter, candidate is failed. Let's undo this. In case you want to change the text color of pass and fail, it can be done very easily. I have already selected my whole range. We'll press Ctrl 1. We'll go to custom. This was our criteria of pass and fail. I'll click in the very beginning. Just before square bracket, I'll insert another square bracket and will type blue. Square bracket close. For pass, my text will be in blue color. So this was criteria of pass. Now I'll click just after semicolon. We'll insert square bracket and we'll type red. Square bracket close. For fail, my text will be blue. We'll come to the bottom and we'll click on OK. Just notice, my text got changed. If I'll delete all and will put my marks over here manually, 25, enter, we can see fail in red color. If I'll do this, 66, enter, we can see blue color. What's if I want to highlight the marks only? Let's come to marks, plus or equal to. We'll click over here and we'll hit enter. Let's drag this down. We'll leave this selected. We'll press Ctrl 1. We'll go to custom. Over here we can see general. Here is a trick which you have to remember. And the trick is, this time we are not going to remove general from here because the marks are in general format or number format. We'll click just before general and we'll insert square bracket red. Square bracket close. Red will be for the marks which are lesser than 35. So I'll put square bracket smaller than or lesser than 35. Square bracket close. We'll click just after general and we'll copy this. Ctrl C or Command C. We'll click just after general and we'll insert semicolon. Now we will put second criteria, that is green. Square bracket open, green. Square bracket close. So what will be our criteria? Square bracket greater than or equal to 35. Square bracket close. We had copied general in the beginning, so I'll paste over here. Ctrl V or Command V. General is my format. We'll come to the bottom and we'll click on OK. And just notice, all the marks got highlighted in red and green. If I'll delete all and we'll put the marks over here manually, 30, enter, it got highlighted in red. And if I'll do this, 35, enter, marks got highlighted in green. Let's come to the right hand side. Over here I have got my amount in thousands and I want to put K just after my figures. We'll select my whole range. Instead we can select the whole column. We'll press Ctrl 1. We'll go to custom. We'll remove general from here. We'll put 0.00. So it's our decimals, comma, double quotes, K. K is for 1000. Double quotes close. We'll come to the bottom and we'll click on OK. Just notice, we can see K over here. In case you don't want to put decimals, just press Ctrl 1, go to custom, delete zeros which are after decimals, remove decimal also and click on OK. And these are the figures in thousands. Over here I want to show million. We'll select the whole column, we'll press Ctrl 1. We'll come to the bottom and we'll click on custom. We'll remove general from here and we'll put 0. Over here I want to show in decimals. So I'll put dot or decimal 00. We'll put comma. For thousands or for K, we had inserted single comma, but for million, we will have to insert double comma. So I'll insert one more comma over here. Double quotes, M, double quotes close, and we'll click on OK. Now we got our amount in millions. One thing to highlight over here. I'll press Ctrl 1. Whatever changes we do in custom formatting, it gets added in the history. Over here we can see the history. All the things are over here. So in future, just go to custom. By the help of down arrow key, come down and you'll get all the things over here. No need to insert the things manually. Let's cancel this. These were the few examples which we hardly use and for which formulas are not required. I'll provide the file link in description box. In case you want to download, you can.